Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have the giant 12-foot Sawbuck. It's working quite nice. Get this whole shed packed up. We got a quarter of that one stacked up. But anyways, we're gonna make some modifications to this. Obviously trial and error, as I said in the original video. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off this extra section here. It's tough for the Kubota to raise all of those cutoffs so high and drop it, and it's a little awkward. As you can see, it's a little awkward trying to move cutoffs, trying to grab the cutoffs with this extra in your way. With at least when this is cut flush, it'd be a little bit easier to work with. Now I could run and get the skill saw, but I think we're just going to use the Husqvarna 257, the one we got running, and we're going to trim all those flush. So let's go ahead and do that. See here, if we threw this back on, if I were to grab this now, I think you're in view. If I were to grab this now, it's a lot easier for me to move it down. What I've been realizing that's worked, and I'll demonstrate, is I load this section first. It's actually pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see it all in action. But anyways, I'll obviously make 4 cuts. I'll throw this section in first, and then I'll just use the pickaroon, grab the lower sections, and drag them down. Now I can reach pretty far with this pickaroon, so now that we have these slots out of the way, it should be just a little bit more easier to work with. So let's go ahead and load it up and see how it works. See, this is what I'm talking about right here. For example, it's a little bit easier now that these sections are gone. So we missed a couple boards, but that's all right. these cut blocks are doing their job. As you can see here, our beam is untouched. That's our main focus, is our structural beam. So these sacrificial blocks are doing their job. So I'm sorry I'm real sweaty, but thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see here, we have quite the load of sawmill cutoffs loaded, ready to burn. So one trailer load and a little bit of a truckload filled up basically one whole shed here. So not bad. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. We got a lot coming on the homestead. It's almost heating season, but we're gonna make a run. We're gonna make some trails first. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Please comment. Please share this. Trying to grow the channel. Got a lot of good content here. I hope you guys enjoy it. So anyways, see you on the next one.